If you're encountering a player load error on Flowplayer Cloud 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent the player from loading correctly. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use srub to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Update browser. Make sure your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser may not support the latest features of Flowplayer, leading to loading errors. Update to the latest version available. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Temporarily disable any browser extensions or add-ons that may interfere with video playback. Some extensions can block scripts or resources needed for Flowplayer to function properly. Step 5. Check Flowplayer configuration. Verify that your Flowplayer configuration settings are correct. Ensure that the video URL is valid and that all necessary parameters are properly set in your player setup. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the player load error and get Flowplayer Cloud 2026 working again. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Flowplayer support for further assistance.